If you mount a brushless DC motor to the front of a plastic bottle, attach lightweight wings on both sides, and install two 4-blade motors on one side to control attitude, then congratulations, you've assembled a simple drone. Next, you can take your creative invention out for a test flight. But if your car door accidentally locks and you don't have the key, you can make a loop of an appropriate size in the middle of a shoelace. Then thread one end of the shoelace through the gap between the car door and the body, gently sliding it downward until it reaches the lock mechanism. Next, carefully slip the loop over the lock pin and pull the shoelace gently upward at an angle. As the lock pin is pulled, the car door will unlock. With this method, you can open the door without a key. Take a look at this small invention. Use 4 spoons and secure them symmetrically to the top of a long stick with rubber bands. Leave just enough space in the middle to firmly cradle a light bulb. With this tool, no matter how high the light fixture is installed, you can easily screw in the bulb, no more standing on tiptoe or risking a climb. When you insert a steel nail and a copper coin into opposite sides of a lemon, the acidic electrolyte inside the lemon reacts chemically with the steel, causing iron atoms to lose electrons. These electrons flow through an external wire to the copper coin, forming an electric current. If you connect a small light bulb to this circuit, the lemon acts like a biological battery, generating enough electricity to light the bulb without plugging it into a power outlet. If you mount 2 drone motors onto a smartphone, you could theoretically turn it into a mini drone capable of flight. In reality, however, such a device is very likely to lose control and crash, severely damaging the phone. But if you can successfully adjust the center of gravity, enhance structural stability, and add a flight control system, making a phone fly is not entirely impossible. One day, it might even help you capture beautiful aerial videos. When a splinter gets stuck in your foot and tweezers fail to remove it completely, you can try this method. Take a syringe, cut it into a suitable shape, and install 2 hinges on the barrel so the lid can open and close smoothly. Then attach a 90-degree ventilation pipe to ensure proper airflow. Add charcoal inside and light it, and finally place a metal grill on top. Congratulations! Your homemade barbecue grill is complete. Now you can enjoy delicious grilled food. How can you peel an apple faster? Secure the apple onto a sharp metal spike and lock it in place. When you turn the handle, gears drive the apple to rotate at a constant speed. At the same time, a sharp blade lightly touches the surface of the peel. With each rotation, the blade moves smoothly along the apple's curve, shaving off the skin and forming a continuous thin spiral strip. In just a few seconds, the apple is perfectly peeled, and the entire process is smooth and efficient. In addition, when you pull a string tight between 2 empty cans and speak into one of them, the vibrations produced by your voice travel along the string to the other can, causing its bottom to vibrate and reproduce the sound. This simple device actually simulates the working principle of early telephones.